Okay, we started up the car. We got the tire maintenance light going on. So we'll have to see what we're going to do about that. I think it comes on because the tires need to be rotated. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the tires. I'll show you about the tire pressure readout on the display. Hold on. Now here's the tire pressure display. And you have to drive the car for a little bit before it'll come up. Now they're all up to 33 where they should be. Okay, so that tire maintenance light just means it's time to rotate the tires, or it means that it's time to look at the tires to see if they need to be replaced, because it comes on around 50,000 miles. So I think the dealer I bought the tires from about 4 months ago must have set that to come back and have them rotated. So that's what the tire pressure display looks like, and I'll show you back how to reset the tire maintenance light. Okay, we got that tire warning light. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to settings, and we're going to get down to maintenance, and we're using this button here, up, down. This is how you get over to the settings with this button, and then this button here you use up and down. So we're on maintenance. I'm going to push the OK on this. Okay, now we're going to go to tire, go down one, push this button down. Now we're on tire. We're going to push the OK. Now they set at the dealership when I got the new tires that every 7,000 miles I'm supposed to come in and rotate the tires, which is fine. But the dealer I go to, where I bought the tires from, every time I go in to get the oil change, about every 3,500, 4,000, they rotate the tires for me. So I really don't need that on. So I'm going to get down to reset that, and confirm reset. Yes. And we're going to go reset it to 70,000 miles, 7,000 miles. And we're going to go down. See if we can shut it off. There you go. So we're going to shut it off. So it's not going to remind us ever again to do that. So we're going to go back. We're going to back out of all this. We're going to go back to the driver's aids. We're going to go to right here to the driver's aids, the speedometer, and that should have reset it. It should not come on again. Now I'm going to shut the car off, and we'll see if it comes on again when I restart the car. There it is. Now that'll give me my speedometer. And we should be good to go from there. All right. Okay. That's how you get to the settings and reset or change your tire warning setup, or any other warning that's on there. You can change it yourself. Just take your time, use the buttons. Now I'm sitting in a 2018 Nissan Murano. It's not that difficult to do. Just take your time. You can always go back and undo it or change it to something else. Hope that was a helpful video. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. And I need more subscribers. And if you like that, give me a like. And if you have any questions, send me a comment. I try to answer all the comments. If you're having a different issue you want to talk about, let's do that. I did get a question about what happens when your crash warning system light blinks. I'm going to answer that in another video. So thanks for watching Mike's Garage. Take care, everybody. Be safe out there.